Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making an alternate card using the, the April Inked Occasions Paper Pumpkin Kit. This is April 2025. So, I'm going to show you some of the items we're going to be using to make our alternates. I have the, what are these called? The low profile dots. It's an online exclusive. We're going to be using the paper pumpkin die set, the Hugs of Bloom dies that coordinate with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. We're going to be using these dies. Let me show you those. These are the dies. Okay. And then we're also going to be using this new online exclusive mini corrugated 3D embossing folder. Now, all the projects that I'm going to make are not going to have these items on there, but most of them will, okay? So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Mountain Majesties paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 cards. Misty Moonlight is the stamping spot. Again, we have our Hugs of Bloom dies add-on for $12. And it coordinates with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. There's a link in the description box below for you to find out, sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. And if you're interested, you can email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program. Again, this is a new program. It's been going on for a couple of weeks now, but I just want to remind you, you earn 10% on all orders that are $20 or more. Shipping is and tax is not included in your amount, okay? So $20 or more in product order, you get 10% in Stampin' Rewards. You can redeem those rewards on any future order. You can track them and save them in your online Stampin' Up account, and your rewards will expire 12 months from the earning date, okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's go ahead and get started on our project. Okay, so for today's card, we are going to be making a book binding fold. So I have some peach pie here that is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5.5 and 5.5. Take off 4.5, 4 1/4. So scored at 5.5, 4 1/4 to make our book binding fold here. So I have some basic black that is 4.5. Excuse me, that is 4 by 4. Basic white that is 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. And we're going to glue these two together after putting on a strip that I had left over. So let's put some glue on this. We're going to glue this down. Oh, so this seems to be exactly the right size. Okay, then I have a little piece here, I guess. I keep telling you, I did this. I designed these cards a while ago. All my alternatives were designed the day after Easter. And yeah, it's been a minute since I seen them, and I don't quite remember everything that I wanted to do. I'm not sure about the measurements on some of the things. I'm telling you what I think they are because I didn't write stuff down, because my plan was to record the next day after I designed them all, and that didn't happen. Life said, nah, I don't think so. Not this time. So we're gonna sit this right here, like so. Trying to make sure I get an even border here. Okay, and we're gonna put some glue on this little section here. And I need to rub that out because I don't want it squirting out the edges. And that's how we're going to make our book binding. It's going to close like that. Okay, so now I have a piece of basic black that is 1 inch by this is 4 1/4, 1 inch by 4 1/8 maybe, or 4, it's probably 4. No, so it's 1 1/8 inches by 3 7/8. And so then I have a piece here from the kit that I cut. I don't even know what size. It's the same measurement as the width of the black, so 1 1/8. And we're going to put some glue on this and just dab glue on some of these leaves here. I did have to cut away some of the leaves. That's what I put on the inside. Some of the leaves that I had to cut off to make this work. Come on. Okay. I'm trying to think. I don't want to put this all the way to the bottom. And I want to scooch that over like that. And our glue will dry clear. So, okay. Then I have this basic black here. This has to be 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. I mean, it has to be, right? I mean, 4 by 4. Geesh. I told you guys, I don't know the measurements. I'm sorry. It might be 4 1/8 by 4 1/8. That's probably what it is. 4 1/8 by 4 1/8. Then we have a piece that is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. Square from the kit, one of the card bases. And I think I want to put it about right here. Let me see. And then we're going to put this one here. And we're going to have another piece that goes about right there. So let's move this down if we can. We're going to put this piece as 1 by 3 7/8. So the basic black is 3 7/8 square. No, it has to be, I mean, 4 1/8. Why? I don't know why I'm getting so confused. Oh my goodness. I'm going to just stop talking. Okay. We're about to stamp on this piece here and berry burst, and we're going to stamp thinking of you. Next time, I have to remember to write stuff down because this is aggravating. How confused I am on my measurements. Okay, then we're going to take this 1 by 2 3/4 piece. Happy I wrote the measurements on the back of here. I guess I could have wrote it in pencil on the back of the black. It might have shown up. We're going to put that down just like that. Okay, and then I went ahead and die cut one of the flowers in basic black. From the dies from the Hugs a Bloom dies that coordinate with the kit, the add-on. And we're going to put it right here on this little element from our kit. And I want to put this in the middle, just like that. And we're going to just have it going like that. So I'm just going to put glue on the circle. We're going to put that down just like that. Then we're going to get some bling. Our low profile dots. These are an online exclusive. And we're going to just add some of these around our card here. Using the gold. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it right there. Oh, it had other plans. Come on. Right there. Okay, and that is our card done. Nice book binding fold, book fold. Come on, open up. I like it. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.